building a custom base radio transceiver go box. I've got some 9mm hex ply. There's a 2-tier lift out compartment, so on the top here is going to be transceiver radio mounted. I've got a 12-volt panel going here, 12 accessory cigarette lighter socket, voltage 2.1 amp USB, and a power switch. I will then have a auxiliary 12-volt input, a two-way switch here so you can switch between the internal 10 amp hour battery or an auxiliary 12-volt power supply. I'll also have a master power switch and that transfer switch between that. Underneath then there'll be a storage compartment where the battery will be located, fuses, associated wiring will be hidden, and also there's a storage part there for a black case which will hold some vital components, connectors. I'll have a PL259 or an SO2039 chassis mounted socket mounted flush in here with some other adapters, some lift out handles so this whole lift compartment lifts out. I've measured it perfectly to give me space to put my radio and mount it in there. I'm going to put some captive nuts in the bottom of that. I can screw the radio straight on top. It's spaced perfectly so the lid and the foam creates a bit of small compression on the handles, which then holds that tray in the box, so when it's being moved around it doesn't rattle, but it's a tight fit. It will lift out, and there's, like I said, a 2-tier compartment. But I'm using a Max case. I'm not a fan of Pelli, I prefer Italian, so I've gone for Max. Lovely deep case, waterproof, foam lined, and then I can clip onto here a USB red LED light, just so you've got a bit of covert working light, and then there'll be enough space here to put a notepad and pen, etc., and some other little accessories. But that is the start of it. I'll just try and lift it out and show you the inside. This is the internal tray. It's nearly finished. It's all glued and screwed, and then the top of it's got some small 3mm stainless steel fasteners with small nylox nuts and bolts, so I can unbolt the top plate from the bottom so I can do all the wiring in there, space for the battery, etc. I'm going to get some black wood stain and a small sponge, and I'm going to then treat the edge of the ply where I've sanded it all down, treat that with a lovely black finish so it's muted and you can't see it, and then I'll get some acrylic varnish and just go around the edge to seal that from moisture. The handles I've got heavy duty ABS machine handles. You probably usually used to seeing these on welders and things like that. They will screw in there with some nice fasteners, and then it gives you the ability to lift the case out. I've offset the inside here so I can fix these handles through with some nuts and bolts. But when it's finished, it'll be a nice case. Stay tuned for more.